guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to apply false eyelashes. I have them on right now, and if you're interested in watching this video, then just keep watching. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to apply fake eyelashes, and I have two different pairs here with me, and both of them have a different band. And I'm just going to be showing you which one is easier to apply. So both of these eyelashes are from House of Lashes. These are the more thick band. It's like really black. And then I have these ones that are also from House of Lashes, but they're just a lot more natural. And they're a lot easier to apply because the band is thinner. And those are the ones I'm going to be using today. So to take them out of the box, you have to be really careful. You can use tweezers if you want, but I usually just pull it gently with my fingers. And I've never like ripped them or anything. So this is the thicker pair of lash band. So it looks like that. It's a really thick black band. And for this type of eyelash, you really need to line your lashes with eyeliner, which I have already done that today. I just did a little wing today. And even with these regular lashes, the more natural ones, I always do eyeliner too across the top, just so it's easier to blend in the eyelashes in case you mess up or something. And that way the glue doesn't show up either. Okay, so now that I've shown you both of those different eyelash styles, I have everything here that I use to prepare my lashes, because the lashes, when they come in the little box like this, they are always way too long for my eyes. So what you want to do is you always want to measure the eyelash onto your eye. So I'm going to do that now. I believe I already trimmed these ones, but I haven't worn them yet. And you want to face it like this, and so this lash goes on this eye and this lash goes on that eye. And you can always tell because wherever the shorter lashes are, that goes on your inner corner, and the longer ones go on the outer corner. And you also, as you measure the eyelash, if it's too long, you always trim from the outer corner, so you're not trimming off these shorter lashes. So kind of like that, I just do like a quick little measurement, and this one looks pretty good. And so the other one is the same because I already trimmed them. And you can always use tweezers to apply your eyelashes. A lot of people say it's easier, but I just use my fingers. And I have these little scissors here, and I use these little ones to trim the eyelashes. And I also prepare my eyelashes with mascara. And I already have some on my lashes right now, just a really thin layer to help blend the falsies with your regular lashes. This is a really good one. It's the Marc Jacobs mascara, the Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. I really like this one because it separates your lashes so good. Like, I'm not even joking. This is the only mascara that I've been using lately. And I used to use that Benefit Bad Gal one, but it would always just clump up my lashes, even with that small little wand. Like, this one really separates them so good and just makes them black and really pretty. So I have my lash glue here. This is my favorite lash glue. It's the House of Lashes Eyelash Adhesive. I just have a mini sample size, but it just looks like this. There's a black bottle like this and a white one as well. And then it's just like a black consistency. And I just brush it on the edge of the lash band like this. So you just brush it on the lash band like this, and make sure you get the outer and inner corners really coated well, because those are the first parts of your lash to like pop off during the day. And then when I have an even layer, this glue dries like pretty quickly, like really a lot quicker than the Duo Lash Glue. I don't like that one like at all. It would always come off. This one like stays and does not come off throughout the day. So this one takes about 30 seconds to dry, and then I would say ones from the drugstore take about a minute. Sorry if you hear crunching in the background. Olive is eating an ice cream cone right next to me. So you can kind of tell when the glue is starting to get tacky. You can even touch it with your finger and feel that it's like kind of sticky. Mine's still kind of wet, so I'm gonna wait just a second. But it'll just feel tacky and kind of sticky. So this should be about enough time, about 30 seconds. And then I like to place it in the middle, but I just take the eyelash and then from the middle. So just like that, and you can kind of move it around if you need it to be moved around. And I just kind of press together and push in at the same time. I always have trouble with this inner corner though. I just kind of press on it like that, and then we have a lash on. So, and it makes quite a big difference. Even though these are like the more natural ones, they just make your eyelashes look so much fuller. And they're not like uncomfortable or anything. Like you can feel that they're on there, but they're not uncomfortable. So I'm just gonna do the same with the other eyelash. I'm just coating it with some glue right now, making sure to really get the outer and inner corners. And another thing, if the eyelashes are too like straight, like they're not curved enough for your eye, like enough rounded, you can always, after you put the glue on, you can kind of like bend it like this and roll it around, and it'll help it be more rounded so it will fit your eye shape better. And just like that, we have both of our eyelashes on. And of course, with experience and practice, you will get better at it. I still like have trouble with the inner corner flopping out. So just don't worry about it and just make sure you practice. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!